Hey there, Facebook Julie for Canine Rescue Connection coming at you today on a rainy morning. Anyway, we've got 4 here for Tails to the Wind going to the Spay Neuter clinic. Here we go. I'll have to update you on the names a little bit later because they're can't remember what they are right offhand. This one here is a little Yorkie. Say hi to Yorkie, little Yorkie there. Yep. And then you know Tails to the Wind in Frenchies. You got this Frenchie right here. Yes. And then, let's see, go around the horn here, find another one here. And we got this little terrier here. Hey, little terrier, hey. Yeah, and then we got this bigger guy here, right there. Looks like a shepherd husky mix of some sort. Anyway, his name is Dougie. Anyway. So anyway, go to the Spay and Neuter clinic. So Julie's signing off for now. You know what? Because dogs can drive, especially in the end of a pandemic. Take care. Bye-bye.